Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin halving and what it could be. Okay, so we all know that Bitcoin halving is gonna be in 63 days. It's like around 2 months we are the time from now, and it just went a little bit back. Let's talk about the start of the Bitcoin and who invented the Bitcoin and what is the white paper for the Bitcoin. So who invented, we all know that it's called Satoshi Nakamoto, but we don't know who is. He did the white paper, and I've tried to look into if there is any, he's talking about any of the halving, but I couldn't find anything. So what is Bitcoin halving? Let's talk about it. Let's dig and talk about it. Bitcoin halving, exactly, it's like each 4 years they're gonna cut the block reward by half. So talking more about that, Bitcoin launches around 2009. Okay, so it was for the miner who's of course doing the mining for the Bitcoin. Every block, each block, it was giving him 50 new BTC as the start in 2009. So we had like 10,500,000 BTC. Now the first halving, which is held on 2012, we can see that the block reward has been cut by the half, and the block number has increased, of course, and the new Bitcoin supply, it was like 5,250,000. Okay, so each 4 years, as you can see, also 2016, the block number is increased and the block reward is decreased. Okay, and we're going in 2020, like also the same. As you can see, we had like 6.25 per block, and now we are talking about 2024 April, it's gonna be only 3 Bitcoin per block. So why did they do that? Because simply it's good for the inflation, number one, and second, they want people know that Bitcoin has strict rules and they don't want anyone to manipulate it, and they put the rules that we're gonna cut it every 4 years to the half. So basically this is what is Bitcoin halving. Okay, cutting from the miner each block 4 years to the half. Okay, so let's now talk more, and let's see what is the impact for the halving. The first halving impact, as you can see guys, the price has been pushed up big time. Okay, this was in 2012. Now even the second halving, 2016, we reached a new high, and 2020 also we reached a new high. Although there was like a COVID and we have a pandemic, and a lot of people, they were talking about Bitcoin in 2020 it could reach to $300,000-$400,000. That's what we are all asking, or that's what I am being asked a lot, like where is the price of the Bitcoin? Now the wishes is something and the reality is something else. So of course we wish to see the Bitcoin is flying, but in 2020 they say about that, but the price was not that big jump. Now maybe because there wasn't a pandemic, maybe it was a COVID, that's why it was the economic little bit crashing, but still Bitcoin showed that it's Bitcoin and it's going up. Now let's talk more about it. So I brought you this chart guys. This chart always saying the best time of buying Bitcoin before the halving. Okay, days until next halving. So as you can see, every time we have this purple blue colors, the prices push up. Purple blue colors, the prices push up. But we are scared from this red little bit over here, that's why we are holding. But now the chart is showing very strong signal that this is the best time of buying Bitcoin. Okay, now I brought you more chart which I like, and it's showing that the first halving and what it was the effect of it. Okay, as you can see, the green point over here, it showed the first halving. It pushed the price to $1,200, go back again, the second halving retest, of course, it reached 20, third halving 70 as we said. Then now we are here, so they expected the price to be around 200,000. So am I saying that this is the best time to buy Bitcoin? Yes. Am I saying with my own belief that you will never see this price again? Also yes. So I think, guys, this is the best time really to buy Bitcoin. And even if got little bit drop, but as I remember also, like it was after the halving and the price push up, and then the price goes down by 20%. But what will happen? Okay, so let's think about this. If the price eventually we're gonna reach like as here mentioned, like now in 2024 we're gonna reach 3 BTC per block. So if we reach to 2028, we're gonna have only 1 BTC per block. We're gonna have only this production of BTC. So if you are a holder of Bitcoin, are you gonna sell it? Good question. So let's see this. Okay, this is it show you guys the address holder of Bitcoin, how they are increasing. Okay, even though there was like a big drop over here of 20% that I talk about, but the price of the holder, long holder term, is still they are holding, they are keeping it. Okay, so in a history saying that, like that's what we are showing in a history, it showed that this is like after each halving the price how it's gonna be continue up. Okay, and that's by rules, like by trading rules. It's like supply and demand. Okay, when there is a lot of demand, the price will goes up. When it's like supply, we're gonna sell, we know that. Okay, so one more things I want to show you guys before I finish. Look at this. Let's say the growth rate in outstanding gold supply and gold prices in 2021. As you can see, the annual gold mining production, it's the blue one, as you can see, and how much is the inflation adjusted, and like it goes up. So the gold mine is go down and the price is going up. What does that show? That show that of course Bitcoin is better than gold. And if we want to talk more about it, especially after the ETF, it came and approved and make it super easy and make it as an asset. So this is all about halving, guys. And if you guys needed anything, please contact me in my social media. I'll be glad to help. Cheers.